Want to start making money online in 2025 but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide to start affiliate marketing from scratch, even if you have no website, no followers, and no prior experience. Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote products online, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The best part is you don't need to create your own product, handle shipping, inventory, or customer service. All you need is the ability to share helpful content. For example, if you love tech gadgets, you can review the latest smart devices or create top 5 gadget hacks videos. If you love fitness, you could recommend workout gear, protein supplements, or online fitness programs. The first step is choosing a niche, which is the topic or category you want to focus on. Popular niches in 2025 include tech gadgets, fitness equipment, online courses, beauty products, smart home devices, personal finance tools, and even hobbies like photography or gaming. The more focused your niche, the easier it is to attract a dedicated audience that trusts your recommendations. Don't pick a niche just because it's popular. Pick one you enjoy creating content for and can consistently produce ideas in. Next, choose the platform where you will share your content. Options include a blog or website, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even email newsletters. You don't need thousands of followers to start. Even a small, consistent audience can generate sales over time. For beginners, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels are excellent for rapid growth because short, engaging videos often reach thousands of people quickly. For example, a 30-second video showing 3 phone hacks you didn't know can go viral and bring in clicks to your affiliate links without you showing your face. Focus on one platform first, master it, and then expand to others. After choosing your platform, it's time to join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is beginner-friendly, but there are thousands of other programs in every niche, such as ClickBank, ShareASale, or Commission Junction. You'll need basic information, a website or social account, and your payment details. Programs like Amazon require at least 3 sales within 180 days to fully activate your account, so plan your content accordingly. Don't limit yourself to one program. Joining multiple programs in your niche increases your options and potential earnings. Once approved, you can start creating affiliate links using tools like Amazon Site Stripe or other program dashboards. You can make text links, image links, or banners, and always include your affiliate disclosure, such as an Amazon associate I earn from qualifying purchases. Using link shorteners or branded links also makes URLs cleaner, more professional, and easier to track. The next step is creating content to share your links. Faceless videos, blog posts, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even carousel posts can all work. Focus on providing value. Make top 5 inches lists, tutorials, step-by-step guides, product reviews, or comparison videos. For example, you could make a video titled, 5 Must-Have Gadgets Under $50, with AI-generated visuals of the products and a voiceover explaining each one. The more helpful your content, the more likely people are to click your links. iTools like InVideo, Canva, Murf.ai, or 11 Labs can help generate video clips, animations, and voiceovers quickly, even if you don't appear on camera. Add subtitles and captions to make your videos accessible, and consider using word-by-word or phrase-based captions to increase engagement. Once your content is live, promote it consistently by sharing on social media, optimizing titles and descriptions, and interacting with your audience. Tracking performance is key. Check your affiliate dashboard to see which links are clicked most often, which content performs best, and double down on those strategies. For example, if a product review video gets more clicks than a list video, create more content in that style. Don't spam links, instead, provide value first and naturally include your affiliate links. To succeed long-term, follow these tips. Be consistent by posting regularly. Focus on giving value rather than just pushing products. Track performance to see what works, and always include affiliate disclosures to stay transparent and trustworthy. Remember, patience is key. Most beginners don't earn immediately, but consistent, valuable content grows over time. You can even create mini-series, like Tech Tips Tuesday or Fitness Fridays, to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Include personal examples, case studies, or trending products to make your videos more relatable and informative. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tips on earning online. Check the description for tools and resources to help you get started today, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your niche or favorite tip from this video.